Carbonara. Cheese. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna make carbonara. This is one of my favorite pastas. I actually had it for the first time when someone I was seeing made it for me, and when I heard that he was making it for me, I was like, oh, don't know if I'm gonna like it. But then I had it, it was delicious. And now I love carbonara, so thanks, David. What you will need is Parmesan, bacon, eggs, and some garlic. So it's pretty easy. First, you want to grate your cheese. I have about 1/4 pound of cheese, Parmesan cheese. So you can use Parmesan, Pecorino, Grana Padano. I think that's how you say it. Basically, one of those types of cheeses. And before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to my channel. Now we grate lots of cheese, and this might take a while. So I think this is plenty of Parmesan. I've kept a little left still, and I can grate it on top if I think I need more. I started boiling a big pot of water to cook the spaghetti in while we prepare everything else. So next, you cut up your bacon. Cut it into little pieces. So this is smoked uncured bacon. You're supposed to use guanciale, but I don't have that, so bacon is a good substitute. We also have a few cloves of garlic, and we're just gonna smash them. You want to keep them in pretty big pieces so they don't burn. Now we're going to prepare the egg mixture. So we have 6 eggs, and we're going to take 3 whole eggs and 3 yolks. If you only use the yolks, the sauce is very heavy. And I like how the whites lighten it up a little bit. Basically, it's just going to be cheese, egg, and bacon. Just like that. Now I put a lot of pepper in, so we'll start there and see if we need more. Let's whisk it and then add in the cheese. Very nice, everything is incorporated and there are no more whites left. So now for the cheese. It's a lot of cheese. Just like that. So now the water is boiling, and we're gonna add salt in to season the water and drop our spaghetti in. That's gonna boil for about 8 minutes until it's nice and al dente. And just stir it to make sure nothing sticks. And that you have enough water. Now it's time to fry the bacon. I'm gonna add the garlic in so it can fry in the oil. So now the bacon looks pretty done. Pretty crispy, and the garlic is nicely browned too. We're gonna take it out of the oil, make sure it doesn't burn. You can choose to take the big garlic pieces out or just keep them in the pasta. So we're gonna let this cool a little bit because it's very hot, and then add it to the egg sauce. You want to leave some of the oil in the pan because you want some of that garlicky bacon taste, but you leave some out just because it would get too greasy if you kept all of it in. So now our pasta is done, so we're just going to put it directly in this oil. We're going to save some pasta water. Now it's cooled down a bit, so it's not going to cook the eggs when we add it in. And just mix it all together. It smells so good. And now while the pasta is still hot, we're going to mix this all in together. You want to make sure to do this off the heat, just so the egg does not scramble. So the heat of the pasta is going to melt the cheese, and then we add some of our reserved pasta water to help to emulsify the mixture a little bit, and so it becomes a little more of a sauce. This is really exhausting. And if you look, there's like a little bit of sauce on the bottom. And yeah, so here's our easy carbonara. You give it a taste, see if it needs more salt, pepper. I think it needs more salt. I didn't add any salt in the beginning just because the bacon is pretty salty. I didn't want to over salt anything. Just like that. And then more pepper. Just like that. I'm gonna add a little more bacon grease. Now we just mix it all together. Oh, this smells so good. I'm not very good at mixing. Okay, yay. I'm so excited. This is so good. I think I could use a little more salt, but I just really like salt. You guys should totally try this out. It's so good. Oh my goodness. There's so much cheese and bacon flavor and like a little bit of garlic. Oh, I forgot to fry the red pepper flakes in the oil. So maybe you can do that when you make it, or you can just add red pepper flakes on top. And it'll be a little spicy too. So good. Anyways, I hope you guys like the video. You'll try out this recipe. It's super easy. It took 15-20 minutes. So make sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, and then stay tuned for more cooking videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.